I want to talk for a moment about the First Light Corrugate Foundry pant. It's the pant that I have on right now. When you're in an eastern woodlands environment and you're trying to photograph wild turkeys, then a lot of times you find yourself in a position like this where you're seated and the ground is moist. These pants are supposed to have a waterproof seat, but my experience, and I have two pairs of these pants, first generation pairs, is that they're not waterproof. They leak, and they've leaked since day one. But I'm not going to hold that against First Light because this is their first generation, and sometimes it takes a generation or two to get it right. So if you guys have these same pants and you find that they are waterproof in the seat and the knees, let us know in the comments. But these are one of my favorite pants. And when I photograph animals in the backcountry, whether it's in the Rocky Mountains or an eastern woodlands environment, having knee pads is really important. And these removable knee pads are one of the best features of these pants. It's kind of like having a pair of athletic pants combined with your favorite blue jeans, because these are stretchy like an athletic pant would be, but they have all of those pockets and features that your favorite jeans have and more. They also have, for ventilation, they have a side zip right here. Let me show you that. So the side zip on these pants is one of their best features, but it's also one of their worst features. So it's so big, you can really put your hand in there, and there's so much space. It's really more space than it needs to be. What I found is when you're walking through thick stuff like a briar patch or a thicket in the eastern woodlands environment, or even oak brush out in the west, if these are unzipped, you're going to get stuff catching and it's going to get tangled, and so then you're going to have debris falling down into your legs, and it's not fun. What they should have done is taken a mesh layer, sewn that on the inside, so that even when these are open, you're not going to get debris in there. And they really don't need to be this big. The zipper does not need to open and expose that much of your skin. I mean, if that's what you need, then you shouldn't be using these pants. You should have shorts on if you need to have that much, or you need to slow down your pace so you're not producing as much metabolic heat. But anyway, great pant, and I hope that maybe they can fix that. So First Light, if you're listening, you ought to think about that. KUIU does it, and I actually rate their pant number one. This is number two, but I mean, they're so close in features that, you know, I mean, number one and number two, but the difference is minimal. But still, I love these pants for what they are. So I hope this review helped you out. Once again, if you have a pair of these pants, put it in the comments and let us know. And if you liked this video, then please subscribe and like the video, and, you know, get out into the backcountry, get out into the eastern woodlands, find some wild animals, and take some really, really good shots. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next video.